Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you whether it is possible to log into WhatsApp on a laptop without using a phone. The simple answer is no. For the first time, you must use your phone to log in. WhatsApp is a phone-based app, and every account is linked to a phone number, so the phone is required for initial verification. First, make sure WhatsApp is already installed and working on your phone. Your account should be active and logged in before you start using a laptop or PC. Next, open a browser on your laptop or PC and go to the web version of WhatsApp, or you can download and install the app on your device. Open it, and you will see a QR code displayed on the screen. Now take your phone and open WhatsApp. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Linked Devices. Point the camera at the QR code shown on your laptop screen and wait for it to scan. Once the QR code is scanned, WhatsApp will open on your laptop automatically. Your account is now logged in on that device. Whenever you open WhatsApp on the same laptop or PC, it will log in automatically without using your phone again. If you log out manually or clear your browser data, you will need to use your phone again to scan the QR code. Thanks for watching.